Hello guys, welcome to our channel Life Reviewed. I hope you guys are doing well. So today we have here a Zebronics monitor. We'll be doing an unboxing and first impression of this. So I was in need of a cheap desktop monitor. So after a little bit of R&D, I zeroed in on this. It was basically one was an Acer desktop, and but that didn't have an HDMI port. I zeroed in on this. The reviews were good. So let's do the unboxing without any further delay. So let me tell you what are the specifications of this. This is a 15.6-inch monitor. This is not a full HD, but it's an HD. Resolution is 1366 into 768, and this is VGA and HDMI connectivity. So we have two connectivity. So let's do the unboxing. So we have the cables. Of course, this is the DisplayPort cables, and we have the power cable. The quality seems nice. It's sturdy. Yeah, let's keep that aside. I think this is the stand. Then we have the monitor itself, nicely packed. Okay. That's the stand. The plastic is okay, okayish, but in this budget you can't complain. It seems sturdy enough, should do the work. So it's nicely packed, so there is no damage. Let's open the plastic. Okay, so it's quite light, quite lightweight. Pure pixel. The bezels are not that big, so it's anti-glare. That's good, that's nice. Not the reflection will be less. So that's the front. That's the back side. It's quite nice, quite sleek, if you can see. So it's wall mountable. That's another good part. You can see we have the screws there. You can mount it on the wall. There's the power port, there's the HDMI, there's the VGA port, and these are the buttons. So nice. That's it, guys. I'll be doing a full review of this soon. Please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, please leave those in the comment. Thank you. Goodbye.